Hi, what's going on? My name is Anand. I'm the founder of GrowMeOrganic, and in this video, I will give you a process that is involved in launching a successful cold email campaign, which you can scale it to whatever volume you want. I don't really want to waste your time in the theories and all that stuff, so I just want to quickly show you the process which is involved, and then in the upcoming videos, I will show you how do you execute those things on the ground level. And this is the process that you can take and scale it to whatever volume you want. Like if you want to send 100 emails a day, you can do that. You want to send 1,000 emails a day, you can absolutely do that. You just need to trust the process and exactly follow each and everything. You cannot miss out on any of the thing, otherwise it will break your entire cold email system. So just follow along with the video. I don't want to waste your time anymore, so let's begin with the process. So the very first thing is buying multiple domains. You cannot use your own primary domain because once it is blacklisted, you can never ever again use it, even for sending your transactional emails, even for sending your newsletter emails. So you don't want to hamper your primary domain, and that's why you want to buy multiple domains which looks similar to your primary domain, and you can forward all these domains to your primary domain. Next is connecting domain with G Suite, Zoho Inbox, or Microsoft Inbox. You can choose from any of these inboxes. So I will show you how do you exactly connect your domain that you have purchased with G Suite, Zoho, or a Microsoft Inbox. And the reason why we want to do it is because we want to create our email inboxes through which we'll be sending our emails. The next would be we will set up the SPF, DKIM, MX, and DMARC record. These are just the DNS record which we need to set up. Even if you are not a technical person, I will still show you the exact step-by-step process to exactly do that. So you don't have to worry about if you're not a technical guy, but this is something which is very important for a better email deliverability. So this is the next step, and then we'll have to create multiple inboxes per domain. So let's say we have purchased a domain called GrowMeOrganic.com. We'll have to create multiple inboxes for that particular domain, and then we'll have to repeat that for all the domains that we have purchased. And the reason why we want to do it is to split the load across multiple profiles, because if you're sending emails from just one profile, it might end up landing in the spam, but you reduce your chances of landing in spam by creating multiple inboxes and by having multiple domains in place. Then we need to connect all the created inboxes with GrowMeOrganic so that we can start our email campaign. The next step would be setting up your custom tracking domain, because if you haven't set up your custom tracking domain, then the tracking part for clicks and opens is going to use GrowMeOrganic's domain, which is not good for you. If you're sending email from your XYZ domain, then the tracking domain should be equal to that XYZ domain, right? Do not get into the technicality of all these things. It's just a process that you need to follow, and you just need to trust the process. So we'll have to set up the custom tracking domain for all the domains that we have purchased. I'll show you step by step how exactly we do that. And then we need to initiate the warm-up for all the inboxes that we have created, right? Once we do this, it'll take some time. It'll take 7 to 14 days to warm up your inbox, because this is where you are increasing your reputation. Since you have purchased a new domain, you purchase a new email inbox, you don't have any reputation in the market. Nobody knows you. So we'll set up your account for warm up for at least 7 to 14 days. You do some email transactions, you send emails, you receive emails through an automated system, and that's how you build your reputation. You tell the ISP that I'm not a spammy person. I am genuinely sending emails. I'm getting replies for all my emails. And after 7 to 14 days of warm up is when you can start your email campaign. But during that process, during those 7 to 14 days is you can focus on the other things, like you can define your personas. So you can just pick 2 to 3 personas. These are going to be your ICP, your ideal client profile, for the outreach. The next thing would be you build that email list and you clean that. You have that clean email list for the better email deliverability. And then third would be writing the email outreach copy with the proper automated follow-up. So we'll be writing the email copy and we'll be writing the follow-up copies as well. And this is going to happen in those 7 to 14 days. You have that enough time to think about these things. And once your email accounts are warm up, you are ready to launch your campaign. But this is the very first thing you need to do. If you've built a huge email list, you'll have to split your email list so that we can assign different lists to different senders. We don't want to send all the emails through one single sender. And inside GrowMeOrganic, with just a one click, we can split the email of 1,000 contact into multiple lists that contains very few contacts in it. And that's how we can assign different lists to different senders, because we want to split the load across multiple email servers, right? And then we can start the campaign. That's how you do it. So this is the process that you need to trust in order to launch a successful cold email campaign, and you can scale it to whatever volume you want. So in the upcoming video, I'll show you how do you buy domains, and we'll follow along with the entire process. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.